Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Kohl's credit card online. To activate Kohl's credit card online, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type in www.kohls.com/activate. Then press on enter. With this, now you'll be taken to official website of Kohl's. Now to activate your Kohl's card, you need to log into your Kohl's card account. For this, here you can see the login box on the right side. Now if you don't have your Kohl's card account, then you can click on register option. To log in, you need to first enter your username on the given box. After this, you need to enter your correct password of your account on the given box. Then click on login option. With this, now you'll be logged into your Kohl's card account. After you get logged in, you'll be able to find activate option. You need to just click on activate option and then your Kohl's card will be activated. This is how we can activate Kohl's credit card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.